Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a hoodie. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the specific issue, whether it's a stuck slider, separated teeth, or a missing pull. Next, gather your tools. You'll likely need needle nose pliers, a graphite pencil, or a specialized zipper lubricant. Before any repair, ensure the zipper teeth are clean by removing any dirt or debris with a small brush. If your zipper is stuck, try rubbing a graphite pencil along the teeth. The graphite acts as a lubricant, helping the slider move freely. For zippers that separate after closing, the slider might be too loose. Use needle nose pliers to gently squeeze the front and back plates of the slider, increasing its grip on the teeth. If teeth are bent, carefully straighten them with pliers. When the slider is beyond repair, replacing it is often the best solution. Begin by using pliers to carefully remove the metal or plastic stop at the top of one side of the zipper. Once the stop is off, slide the old, broken slider completely off the zipper tape. Now, carefully slide the new replacement slider onto the zipper, making sure it faces the correct direction. Finally, reattach the top stop with pliers to secure the new slider. To keep your zippers functioning smoothly, regular cleaning and lubrication are key. Use a soft brush to remove debris and apply a zipper-specific lubricant or even a bar of soap. However, if your zipper has missing or severely damaged teeth, or if the starter pin is broken, a full replacement is usually necessary. For these more involved repairs, or if you're unsure, consider consulting a professional tailor for expert help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.